Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new Samsung Bespoke AI Jet Ultra, a premium cordless vacuum that brings some seriously futuristic features to your cleaning routine. We're talking AI-powered suction that adapts to different surfaces, a sleek self-empty dock, a SmartThings companion app, HEPA filtration, and even dual swappable batteries. Samsung promises intelligent floor detection, maintenance alerts, and ergonomic handling packed into a surprisingly stylish package. So, it seems like this vacuum has it all for the $1,100 price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build. Out of the box, the AI Jet Ultra doesn't look too different from your typical stick vacuum, but the moment you hold it, the premium feel is undeniable. It's got a sleek matte black finish, a telescopic wand that adjusts to your height, and an ergonomic handle that actually considers finger placement and grip. The main motor unit is a bit bulky, but Samsung makes up for it with thoughtful design. The wand even has a sliding extension feature, and there's a joint attachment for cleaning up high. The overall construction is solid and stylish, with a screen above the handle that shows your cleaning mode, battery life, and even diagnostics. If you're into vacuums that look high-end and feel comfortable in hand, this one definitely delivers. So if weight is a concern, this might be something to keep in mind. Moving on to the AI features and cleaning performance, this is where Samsung makes its boldest claims. The AI Jet Ultra is designed to detect everything from hard floors and carpets to dense rugs, and even corners, adjusting its suction and brush roll speed automatically. In theory, this should optimize battery life while giving you a smoother clean. But in practice, it's a bit hit and miss. It did adjust power levels when transitioning between linoleum and carpet, and even recognized when lifted off the floor. But it struggled with subtler changes like room edges or bath mats. Surprisingly, it sometimes ramped up when detecting heavy dirt, like spilled oats, which isn't even a listed feature. So while the AI has potential, it still feels like a buzzword that's not quite fully baked yet. On the bright side, suction power is excellent across the board. It passed tough tests on both carpets and hard floors with flying colors. So if raw cleaning power is your priority, this vacuum brings it. Just don't expect flawless AI wizardry. When it comes to the self-empty dock and accessories, Samsung's offering is seriously impressive. The auto-empty base station looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's tall, sleek, and actually good-looking enough to leave out in the open. More than just stylish, it's functional too, sucking debris from the onboard bin into a larger dust bag with the push of a button, or automatically when docked. This is great news for allergy sufferers or anyone tired of emptying bins manually. The vacuum also comes loaded with attachments, an active dual brush for all floor cleaning, a slim LED brush plus for hard floors, a mini motorized pet tool plus, and your standard combo and crevice tools. There's even a neat carousel to store all your extras. While the floor heads do the job well, the Jet Dual Brush tends to get tangled with hair and struggles on plush carpets, something Dyson and Shark have already tackled. Still, the accessories are diverse and practical, making this a strong pick for varied cleaning needs, especially if you have pets or a big house. In terms of battery life and usability, the Bespoke AI Jet Ultra goes above and beyond. Samsung includes two swappable batteries, one rated for 100 minutes and another for 60. That's potentially up to 2 hours and 40 minutes of runtime on the lowest setting, and it's far beyond what most vacuums offer. It even comes with a secondary charging dock for the spare battery, so you're never out of juice. In real-world use, swapping batteries is quick and painless, making it perfect for larger homes or deep cleaning days. The ergonomic handle really helps reduce fatigue, and LED lights on the floor heads are a nice touch for spotting dust in dim areas. That being said, the vacuum can be hard to push on carpets, and the lack of anti-tangle features means more hair maintenance than you'd like. Still, the ability to clean for extended periods without interruption is a game changer for anyone who wants to get everything done in one go, especially pet owners and families. Moving on to the Smart App and automation features, Samsung bundles in its SmartThings app, which lets you monitor charge levels, initiate dock emptying, and adjust settings like default suction mode or emptying time. It's functional, but not essential. You could totally ignore the app and not miss much unless you're a fan of remote controls or detailed logs. The vacuum can also show notifications from your phone on its display, but let's be honest, that's more gimmick than a game changer. What's more useful is the vacuum's ability to self-diagnose issues like blockages and filter maintenance, which pops up on screen with helpful graphics. As for the dock, it automatically empties the bin every time, but can be annoying during quiet hours or quick cleanups. You can manually stop it, but there's no way to disable auto-empty altogether, which might bother some users. Overall, the smart features feel more like a bonus than a necessity. Helpful if you want to tweak things, but definitely not a must-have. As for my final verdict, the Samsung Bespoke AI Jet Ultra is a top-tier vacuum that checks a lot of boxes. It's powerful, versatile, and packs in enough features to justify its premium status. The self-empty dock, extensive attachments, and exceptional battery life are all real wins. But the headline feature, AI-powered cleaning, still needs some refinement to truly stand out. If you're an allergy sufferer, pet owner, or someone who values smart convenience and top-notch design, this could be a fantastic fit. So, wait for a deal if you're tempted. And if this video helped you figure out if this vacuum suits your lifestyle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd want in your dream smart vacuum.